Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit Janani. Hope you are doing well. I'm Janani and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today's video is all going to be about this festive makeup tutorial which is going to be appropriate for Ugadi or Eid or any festive look. So it's going to be so easy, so perfect for even beginners as well. So let's get into the tutorial without any further delay. So my skin prep is done with face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen and a lip balm. So now let's move into the makeup. For makeup, first I'm going to use this RENEE primer. So it's a very good blurring primer and it's one of my favorite. I'm going to apply it on areas wherever my skin tends to get more oily, like on my T-zone and on my cheeks. This is a very beautiful blurring primer that keeps your skin matte, blurs your pores and keep your makeup long lasting. It's so good. You can definitely give it a try with a mini size first and then go on with a full sized one. Next step is an orange corrector, right? So I'm using this SIMPLYNAM orange corrector, which is my current favorite because it just blends in so well and provides the right amount of pigmentation to cover my hyperpigmentation, dark circles and my dark spots. So I'm going to apply it on areas wherever I have dark spots, acne marks, hyperpigmentation and dark circles and blend it well. I'm using my current favorite concealer brush from Mars Cosmetics to blend this one. So as you can see, it just blends seamlessly and covers my pigmentation so well. Can you see, just in seconds it blends and it looks like skin. It doesn't look like another layer and that's why I absolutely love it so much. If you don't have deep pigmentation like mine, you can definitely skip orange corrector, or if you have less pigmentation, you can use a one shade darker concealer to conceal your flaws and then go on with the foundation. To just set this up and not mix it with the foundation, I'm using this compact powder. You can use any compact powder or loose powder, not too much. Just take your powder brush, dab a little, dust off the excess, not too much. Just dust off in your hand, just the remaining. You can just dab it on the areas wherever you have used your orange corrector. Now it looks perfect, right? So next I'm using this e.l.f. satin foundation. It's one of my favorite and it's great for like festive look, occasion looks and long lasting looks. It's kind of slightly orangey on me, but I can definitely match it up with a good neutral tone to concealer in the next step. You can use any buffing brush or a flat foundation brush like this. So this will give a good even layer without making it look cakey or heavy. So it's gonna blend well and give a very thin even layer. I really like this brush a lot, especially for light weight foundation, liquidy foundations like this. Can you see? It just blends very seamlessly, gives a light layer but a good coverage. Can you see how seamlessly it blends? Looks like skin but a better version of my skin. So it gives a very light finish but a good medium to buildable coverage. So this foundation is so good if you're looking for any festive occasions or long lasting look. It also gives a very slight glow that I really like. So it provides a satin matte finish. Now my base looks so even, perfect and gives a beautiful slight little glow, right? To add a glow to it, I'm going to use this Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. It can be used before foundation or after foundation to give a slight glowy look to your base makeup. So I'm going to use it on my areas wherever I want to highlight my facial features, like bridge of my nose very slightly and on my cheekbone, slightly on my forehead. Not too much, just a slight little and blend it with a brush. I'm going to use the same concealer brush to just blend it at the same place, not spread too much, so it gives a beautiful glow only at that places. As can you see, that slight little glow once you blend it, it looks so good and I really love this. So for concealer, I'm using this Forever 52 concealer. It's a very good one of my favorite. I'm using this shade, it's the C0V008, so it's a very good highlighting shade for my skin tone. So I'm going to use it on under my eyes, on my eyelid, bridge of my nose, forehead and chin to highlight it and give a much better coverage. Can you see? I'm just tapping it with the brush to give a good high coverage just at that place and then spread it to the other areas to blend it seamlessly without any harsh line. So in this way you will get that full pigmentation of the concealer yet a good lightweight comfortable finish. Can you see that difference? It just instantly brightens up your overall look and looks so good. Now that my base makeup looks good, I'm going to add a little color of blush. So I'm going to use this Maybelline liquid blush. It's a Hazy matte blush and it's one of my most favorite liquid blush. So I'm going to use this shade, just 2 dots on each side and it gives a very beautiful purple color which looks absolutely gorgeous on our brown dusky skin. Again, with this I'm going to use the same concealer brush. Can you see how much this brush can be used? So it is like a very good multi-purpose blush, and brush is just tongue to sting me. So if you want to pick a blush for your skin tone, just blindly pick this one and you'll absolutely love it. Now I'm going to use a compact powder. You can also use a loose powder. So I'm going to use this one to just set my base makeup. So I'm going to just take with a sponge, not too much, dab off the excess on your palm and then go on with your application. Can you see how beautifully it just sets the base makeup, instantly gives a matte finish and gives a slight blurry finish, which I really like. Can you look at that difference? This powder is just so good, keeps your makeup long lasting, and I absolutely love this. Don't forget to apply the powder or a compact powder on your ears, neck and chest if your skin appears, so that it looks good, even and beautiful. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. So for this, first I'm using this Mars Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. So it's a very good one. It's slightly highly pigmented, but I can definitely manage. So keep the pigmentation under control, very slight strokes, and it gives a good natural finish, which I really like. Can you see? Don't just draw it, draw short strokes to give that beautiful natural groomed eyebrow finish. And then just brush it up with a spoolie to just blend the harsh lines, and your eyebrows will look so good. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Mars eyeshadow palette. It's such a very beautiful palette. It has a mix of glitters, metallics, mattes, and it's a very good color palette. I really love it. For the price we pay, it's so good. First, I'm going to take this very light orange brown kind of a shade and work it as my transition shade above crease. You can build the pigmentation very slightly and slowly. So take a little tap of the excess and work in circular movements to give a beautiful color without any harsh lines, and it blends so well. I'm gonna pick this very dark purple black kind of a shade. It's a very good shade that matches my outfit. You can use any of your shade that matches your outfit. In a pencil brush, tap off the excess and slightly blend it below the crease like that. I'm just gonna give it that cut crease kind of a look, but it's not full cut crease. So I'm just gonna give such kind of a look in very easy way. So I'm gonna use this dark shade and slowly work on my crease. So once this is done on the crease, it looks something like this, but at the end it looks amazing. So this is how my eye looks like right now. It can look messy, but if you are a beginner and you are unable to do this step, you can use a spoon hack that is usually done for a full cut crease, but the next step will correct everything. So I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to use this a copper bronze kind of a shade that matches my outfit for now, and apply it on my eyelid. Ooh, can you look at that shade? This is gonna change the entire eye makeup. So with this step, use a flat brush first on the corners and then slowly take it up, shape it properly, and then you can fill the eyelid. Can you look at that difference? Now eye looks good, right? To highlight this look, I'm going to take the same pencil brush and tip in this beautiful metallic shade and apply it on my lower lid, just on my first half, not on my second half. So next I'm going to take a brown shade, which is a very beautiful brown, and apply it on my second half of my lower eyelid. For Kajal, I'm going to use my favorite Beauty Kajal. It's one of my favorites, so good and great for sensitive eyes. So I'm going to apply the Kajal on my lower and upper waterline, just like that, and this looks so good. Next, I'm using this Inside Cosmetics No Smudge Eyeliner to draw a thin wing liner. It is such a very beautiful product and it's great for everyday use as well. So if you're looking for a very good affordable eyeliner, you can definitely give it a try. Can you see that one swipe pigmentation? It was just one swipe and this is how it looks like. It's so good. Can you see that sharp winged eyeliner? It looks so good, right? So just changes your entire eye look and just looks so good. Now I'm just curling my eyelashes with the Vega eyelash curler. Just lift it up slightly so that it opens up the eyes and it looks like this. Next, I'm using this Staze Beauty Mascara. It's one of my favorite mascara. So it's like a tubing mascara, so the removal is quite easy than the other waterproof mascaras. Slowly wiggle it up and then swipe up so that the lashes doesn't clump up and looks volumizing and so good. It's like not a much volumizing mascara, but it looks pretty good. Slightly lengthens, slightly volumes and makes it look natural. My eye makeup is done and it looks good. So if you like this look, do let me know. I will share more eye makeup tutorials. So I'm a beginner, I'm not a pro in makeup. So I keep trying and then I share it with you. So let me know if you want me to do so. I'll be happy to do. Now that the eye makeup is done, if you want to add up a powder blush or a powder contour at this time, you can definitely do. So I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics palette and I'm going to use a powder blush from this one. Not much, very slightly tap off the excess and then go on with the blush. So can you see it's a very beautiful pink color, so it adds a very beautiful flush of color without too much of pigmentation, just like that, and it looks so good. At last, for the lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite formulation from Mars Cosmetics. It's their Cloud Kiss lip crayon. So it is in the shade Plum Horizon and it's such a beautiful match to my outfit today. It looks so good on our brown dusky skin. Can you look at that pigmentation? It's so light, super comfortable, great for like everyday wear as well. This shade looks so good on us. Do definitely check this out. I'm just in love with this formulation. The shade and everything is so perfect. And if you are attending an event and you want the makeup to last longer, at last you can use this makeup setting spray. So I'm using this L'Oreal setting spray. It's such a good one. So you just need to shake a little. Keep it at a distance. And spritz. Just 1, 2 and 3 within 3 seconds. It's gonna set your makeup so well without keeping it sticky or tackiness. So it's just so good. I really love this one for keeping my makeup last longer, like almost all day long. It just keeps it good. I'm just gonna complete my entire look and I'll be right back. So this is how the completed look looks like. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefit Janani, and if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, I'll leave all the product links along with the names in the description box below. You can definitely check them out, and until next time, bye bye.